Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Unicorn Tarot Portal. We are going to see what is the message for you according to what is going on actually in your life right now. So I don't want to put any intentions into the cards, just releasing the negativity and just inviting the angels, the universe into the cards so that we can see what you should hear right now for the collective. Okay, so I invite the angels. Please come through and show me what my subscribers should know at this time right now. Please and thank you. So new moon in Pisces, new moon in Virgo, full moon in Leo, and the full moon, which is saying in this card, you should accept the fate that God's bringing into your life. A rough translation of what is written here in Turkish. So what I'm seeing in the cards is that actually a new chapter is beginning in your life, and you should know that the nodes, the north and south node, they've changed places and they've entered into the Virgo and into the Pisces. So we have the we've had the Aries and the Libra. We had that angle before this, and now in these last days they've changed signs into the Pisces and Virgo, which is the sign for balancing between emotional and practical or material life. And also there is a need for us to release whatever's been holding us back and to go into the what can be done to move forward, to go into that shape. So what I'm seeing here for you is that your energy is surely aligning, and this changing of the signs for the nodes is actually affecting your life specifically. Everyone's get affected by that, but you guys that are listening to this, you are actually very much affected by this, and it is beginning a new chapter for you in your life, which is related to your decisions and the leadership that you have in your life. For some of you, you actually might be the leaders, or you actually might be a supervisor or someone that a lot of people are working under. Some people are looking up to you, and I'm seeing that there is a very big sense of confidence in you. You might have felt it, or you might not really have felt it just until now, and it's being released. Both situations can be true, but what I'm really seeing here is that this chapter requires you to really take action and have confidence in yourself, and in a big belief in yourself, and a pride. There is a need for pride in what you're doing in your life. So we will see in the next cards what are these cards actually referring to. But there is a sense of having that leadership, and also releasing the need to control everything or every outcome. Because actually you are going through your north node, which is the fate you're supposed to be in, but you should be stepping into it with confidence and with leadership. I mean, something in between these concepts I'm seeing here. So let's see in the cards what it is actually referring to, what is going on. Give me more, please. What my subscribers should hear right now. Okay. I got you. So romantic door, then the the one that is going. Jealousy, angel of equality, or yeah, what I'm seeing here is that so there are a lot of people that have that jealous aura around them. They are seeing you, looking at you in this path that you are taking. They are looking at you with a lot of jealousy and hatred. You should know that. What I'm seeing here is that you actually are stepping into your North Node, and you're actually stepping into what you should or what you're supposed to do in this lifetime. I mean, it's actually the your soul's true purpose here. So there's a sense of stability coming in with it. Okay, now I'm seeing it. Okay, what I've heard here is that so some of the doors related to romantic relationships are closing for you. Those that haven't worked until now, they are closing. So you might reach to an end of an era in some way or shape or form. I don't know. You might reach to an end of a relationship. The relationship might be with a loved one, might be with a friend, might be with a family member, anyone. But those relationships that you are invested with your heart, actually, some of those aren't aligned with your soul's purpose, and they are coming into an end. What I'm seeing here is that you are distancing yourself from a lot of negativity and a lot of people that don't actually open their hearts to you, despite the efforts that you've put into those relationships, despite all the things that you've done for them. They are not opening their heart to you. So you are actually reaching to a culminating point in which that you decide to just leave behind everything and everyone that hasn't worked out for you until now. So it's actually a kind of a sense of taking the leadership, in a sense that you are releasing the need to be accepted by everyone, releasing the need that I should be making this relationship to work. You are releasing this need, which you've had for a long time. So from there, you are going into a very ascended state, I think. The angel of equality is showing me that from there the balance comes into your life. The angel of balance is coming into your life so that you can see the scales of your life are balancing out. And also, at the time that you leave these people, or you just release the need to be liked by them, from there you can see how much hatred they have towards you. As soon as you cut those relationships in which you're just giving and giving and giving, in the time that you stop giving into these relationships, you can see the hatred. And it is an actually ascending point for you, because you can see the true colors of these people. And it's really freeing. Yeah. So give me more, please. One more card I need from this deck. Please and thank you. Okay, 2 cards. The cards decided that you need 2 cards, not 1 card. Okay. So I'm seeing an enemy here and the 4th chakra, which is the heart chakra. So it is a very sad reading, actually, if I'm being honest with you, because I'm seeing that you've put all the efforts, you've done a lot of things for these people, but it's not actually enough because they are your enemies and they have a lot of jealousy towards you. So no matter how much you put the energy, you put the effort, it's not gonna be seen, never, because they have a blocked heart chakra, which is affecting any relationships that they are in. But the point here is that you are ascending into a level to see all this jealousy and not be affected by it. You are gonna see all of this. For some of you, these enemies and these jealousies in your workplace, in the environment that you are working with your colleagues, or for some of you, you might own a business, own a company, and you can see that hatred in the eyes of your co-workers or the ones that are working beneath you. It would be very obvious in the next few weeks. Expect that these might come up and actually mess with your mind a little bit. But the thing is, because of the nodes changing the signs, so now those people that used us, they can't be using anymore, because the nodes are going into a place which makes you release the true self of yours. You have to release what is inside you, no matter what. So your surroundings, you will face a lot of a lot of confrontations may happen, because everyone will be their true self. Many things will come out. In between them, you can see the true colors of people around you. Yeah. So let's go into the tarot cards. I'm using the Thought Tarot cards. Let's see what is in store for you and what is happening. What are the angels trying to tell you right now? What is the universe message for the collective regarding all the things that I've just read? For some of you, you are in the brink of making a decision regarding your money. I'm seeing a financial situation here. Yeah, for some of you, I'm seeing that you're under a lot of pressure to make a payment, to do something about a house or about a belonging, about a land. For some of you, this might be car, but whatever it is a material thing which is really consuming your mind. How you're gonna make that payment, and what I'm seeing here is that you should be much more careful about who you are making this deal with, because from the looks of it, it's showing me that you should be very, very much more conscious about your surroundings, and just wait for a couple of days or for a week or two. Just wait, postpone this payment, and you can see what or who you are doing business with. Because for some of you, this person is just after the money, and the price isn't actually the price that it should be. You are purchasing that thing, or you are doing this business unequally. It's not worth it. I'm seeing that land or that car or I don't know, that business, whatever it is, it just doesn't worth it. So you should be much more careful about getting into business with this person. For some of you, I'm seeing earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. For some of you, it's a fire sign. Yeah, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But they might be from these signs or not. It's not important. The important thing is you're putting yourself in debt for something that doesn't worth it. And this person is actually selling you in a much higher price. Yeah. What else? Yeah, and it will put you in a bad situation financially. So if you can just wait in 3 weeks. Yeah, in 3 weeks I'm seeing another door is opening for you, and there is another offer I'm seeing here. There's another offer or another good news happening for you. A person may come into your life, or someone may suggest to you another purchase, another investment. That would be much better. Just be careful. This person that came up early in the cards, this person is not the one that you're thinking they are. They might even show in the as an angel, or as a survivor, or as someone that is trying to save you, savior, but they are not. They are actually robbing you. Wow. So give me more, please. Yeah, you are going into this situation with a lot of haste, and you should just slow down. Yes. Block this person all at once. If you haven't done any payment, or if you've done, I don't know, a little amount of that payment, and you are waiting for just doing all of it, just try to have a plan. Tell this person that, I don't know, negotiate with them in a way that they trust you. Give your money back and just block them. If this is possible. If it's not, just forget about what you've paid and just again block this person. Or negotiate more so that you can reach to a better price, because the price that you are doing this business is actually very high. The cards are showing me that this person is robbing you, and they are not very truthful with you. They might actually have a lot of more plans for your money, and you're getting into a lot of trouble just by listening to this person, actually. So that's all I'm seeing today. I hope this helped. If so, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, put a comment there so I can know that how this video resonated with you. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.